Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Notes. Open the note and select the text you'll change. Once selected, tap the Format button brush icon to reveal font and style controls. Make sure you're in the newer Notes editor. Older imported notes may not show full options. If the brush isn't visible, tap the text again to wake the toolbar. You'll see text style and heading options. This is where we change size and weight before fine-tuning with accessibility settings. Now you'll change the size. Pick title, heading, or body for preset scales, because they map to consistent font sizes across notes. Once done, use the format controls to toggle bold or italics so larger text still fits layout. If you need precise control beyond presets, exit Notes and adjust display and brightness text size or accessibility larger text. Those system settings change the effective size across notes. Make sure to preview the finish by tapping Done and scrolling through the note to confirm line breaks and wrapping look right. If multiple notes need the same size, copy the formatted paragraph and paste into others. That preserves style. If text still appears unchanged, make sure Notes and iOS are updated. Then check Settings Accessibility Display and Text Size for conflicting overrides. One key troubleshooting tip. Restart the app after changing system text settings. That forces Notes to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.